Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate watchlists on CNBC Investing, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate watchlists on CNBC Investing, start by opening the CNBC Investing website or app. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the home page. Look for the Watchlist tab, usually located on the main menu. Click on the Watchlist tab to access the watchlist feature. If you don't see an existing watchlist, you may need to create a new one. To create a new watchlist, look for an option labeled Create Watchlist or similar. Click on this option to begin setting up your watchlist. You will be prompted to name your watchlist. Enter a name that helps you identify the types of stocks or assets you want to track. After naming your watchlist, confirm your selection to create it. Now, it's time to add stocks to your watchlist. You can do this by searching for individual stocks using the search bar provided. Type the stock ticker or company name in the search bar and hit enter. When the stock appears in the search results, click on it to view more details. Look for an option that says Add to Watchlist or a similar button. Click this button to successfully add the stock to your watchlist. Repeat this process for any additional stocks you wish to track. Once your stocks are added, you can view them by returning to the watchlist section. Your watchlist should now display all the stocks you have added. To further personalize your experience, consider arranging the stocks in a preferred order. You can usually drag and drop the stocks to rearrange them as needed. If you wish to remove any stocks, locate the trash bin icon next to the respective stock. Click the trash bin icon to remove the unwanted stock from your watchlist. Lastly, remember to save any changes you make to your watchlist settings. You have now successfully activated and customized your watchlist on CNBC Investing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.